Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove a Google account from Nebula projector. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon on our remote, navigate to the All settings, then scroll down to Accounts and Sign In, then select the account you want to remove and click on OK. Now we can scroll all the way down to Remove, click on OK to confirm it, and now we can sign in with another account, because you always need to have one account for some reason on this device, or remove the account and reset device. The second option I do not recommend unless you want to factory reset your device. So in this case we're gonna sign in with another account. And all you have to do is actually pick up your phone, open the camera. Not sure if you can see it because it's dark because of the projection, and then find the QR scanner. It should be in the camera on your phone, and it looks like this. There's a Google Lens and we need to scan that QR code. When it's scanned, you'll be able to pick the account that you're already logged in on your smartphone device. And we're signed in. Now, when we get through all of these messages, you'll see that the account is gone. Remove the previous account. Now let's try opening settings again. And as you can see, the account is gone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.